Hey there, productivity enthusiasts. Welcome back to Whimsy. Today, we've got a game-changing topic to help you level up your workday. Office efficiency hacks for increased productivity. If you're ready to get more done in less time, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our productivity-boosting content. Let's kick things off by discussing why office efficiency is crucial for your professional success. We'll dive into how being more efficient can lead to better results, reduced stress, and more time for what matters. Your workspace can significantly impact your productivity. Discover hacks for organizing your desk, creating a clutter-free environment, and setting up your office for maximum efficiency. Time is your most valuable asset. We'll share time management techniques like the Pomodoro technique and time blocking to help you stay focused and accomplish more in less time. In the digital age, your digital workflow matters just as much as your physical workspace. Learn how to organize files, use productivity apps, and optimize your email management. Efficient communication is essential in any office. We'll provide tips for effective meetings, email etiquette, and using collaboration tools to streamline your work. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is key to long-term productivity. Discover hacks for setting boundaries, managing stress, and finding time for self-care. That's a wrap on our office efficiency hacks for increased productivity. Which hack are you most excited to implement in your workspace? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. For more productivity tips and hacks, subscribe to Whimsy and turn on those notifications. Thanks for tuning in. That's all for today, folks. Remember, efficiency is not about working harder but working smarter. Apply these office efficiency hacks, and you'll be on your way to accomplishing more with less effort. Until next time, stay efficient and stay productive. See you soon.